Hello, fellow content creators. Today, we're going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to remove a green screen and replace it with an exciting background. We'll break down the process into easy-to-follow clicks and actions, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Removing a green screen. First, let's focus on removing that green screen. Here's what you need to do. Open your video editing software like CapCut PC and load the video with the green screen. Click on the video clip with the green screen to select it. The top right of the screen, locate the video tab and click on it. You'll see an option called Basic. Click on it, look for Cutout or Chroma Key and toggle it on or click to activate it. Now find the Color Picker tool. Click on it and a color selection tool will appear. Hover over the green area of your video that you want to remove. Click on the green part of the screen. This tells the software which color to remove. Once you've selected the green color, you'll notice a slider called Strength. Click and drag the slider to the right to remove more of the green. Adjust it until the green is completely gone, but be careful not to overdo it as you might lose some details. Optionally, you can also adjust the shadow settings. If needed, increase the shadow to add a bit of contrast to the edges of your subject. Congratulations, you've successfully removed the green screen from your video. Step 2. Adding a new background. Now let's replace that green screen with a brand new background. Follow these steps. Find the background image or video you want to use. Make sure it's ready and saved on your computer. Import the background into your video editing software. Click it and select your background file from your computer. After importing the background, it should appear in your project media library. Drag and drop the background below your video clip with the green screen. This will place your subject in front of the new background. Click and drag the background clip to adjust its position and size until it looks just right. Make sure your subject fits well within the new environment. If you want to make the background more dynamic, you can add animations or effects. Look for animations or effects in your software and apply them to the background layer. Preview your video to see how the new background complements your subject. Fantastic. You've now replaced the green screen with a captivating background. Conclusion. There you have it. A detailed guide on how to remove a green screen and replace it with a new background. It's all about those precise clicks and actions. And with practice, you'll master this creative technique in no time. Stay tuned for more video editing tips and tricks. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Now, if you want a full beginner guide of CapCut PC, watch my previous video. See you guys in the next video.